The whole time. We're driving to get the Christmas tree. Well, I think the place is right off here, Lawson's Lake Road. She must have said that 4 times.
You're like, Mom, I live on Lawson's
I go, Mom, I live on Lawson's Lake Road. The tree place is not off Lawson's Lake Road. She goes to him.
Oh yeah, by the way, you're gonna make New Year's Eve party?
I want to come to a New Year's Eve party. You're not going to invite me?
Well, I didn't think you'd make it.
Good
boy. I don't want to hear it. No, I don't want to hear it. No, I don't care.
I said, well, I hang out.
Yeah, and you're going to hang out with me, and you can spend the night if you need to.
That's exactly what I'm saying.
I'll bring you home, Ken. I'm the DJ. I'll bring you home.
I don't drive.
Me
I'm there to
either.
stay.
Me too.
That sounds great. I want to go.
Queen-size bed with a feather top mattress.
Nobody is sleeping on it, so you better get that straight right now.
You're sleeping outside. You're sleeping down in the
On the
clubhouse.
balcony.
Me? I'm sleeping here.
That's true, you are.
So then what's the matter if they sleep in your bed?
And it'll just be stinky, Uncle Kevin.
Exactly.
And you wonder why the girls have a problem with them.
Taylor doesn't.
What?
Taylor doesn't have a problem. See, Abby doesn't like it when Kenny comes over after work because she's trying to watch her show and Kenny talks. Never mind the fact that we have 2 other TVs in the house, but heaven forbid she moves.
Oh, wow, thank you, Laura. I was very...
What are you watching?
I didn't think you ever realized that. You really do appreciate me.
I do love you. I know it's hard.
That's not how you do it.